This beautiful fall decoration is remarkably easy to make and it has a big impact. All you need is paper, wire, and a stick. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need square pieces of paper. I've got 6 by 6 inches here, wire cutters, wire, scissors, thick white craft glue, and a branch. To make each leaf, fold a piece of paper in half. Start at the corner of an open edge and cut to the opposite corner to make a triangle. Open up the triangle and fan fold your piece of paper. Try and make as tiny a fold as you can. I try and keep mine to about 1/4 of an inch. Make them even and take your time. Once you're finished folding, fold it in half so that the 2 long edges come together. You want to make sure that the fold is perfectly even so that those long edges line up. Cut a piece of wire about 3 or so inches long. Wrap the end of it around the middle of your leaf a few times just to make sure everything is secure. Now glue the 2 long edges together. Press them together so that they're even, and then while it dries you might want to put a heavy book or something else heavy on top of it so that it stays together. Once the glue is completely dry and you have all your leaves made, you're going to wire the leaves to your branch. Hold each leaf where you want it to be and then wrap the wire tightly around the branch 2 or 3 times. Just make it as secure as you can so the leaf won't move around. Clip off any extra wire. Continue adding leaves until your branch is as full as you'd like it to be. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my craft channel. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.